guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, your girl Swaggy, and today we are in Florida, Sunny Isles Beach. Here, we're there. Come, let's cross the road. Come, we're all there. We are going to find Russian food because they have a lot of places here where I can get food. So why we can't cross? Let's cross the man. No. See the place? I love the place. So we just went to this hotel here. So you know, guys, well, it's very noisy here though. It's very noisy, but you can watch our vlog about this hotel while we were in the hotel. Errol will tell you guys. We'll show you everything because it never work out. So they're telling us that everything will happen in 2 hours, and we were promised 10 in the morning. So now they delay us for 2 hours, and also they ask us what we do for living. Oh, so fast! They gave us back the deposit. Errol said he will not give the credit card, the credit card to them, so they rejected us like instantly, like within a second. They said if we want the deposit back, and yeah, I guess that's the main idea, just to try to.
Don't take any price.
Never work out, so you can go on life with the Stevens, and here Errol will release a video about this hotel because that looked to me like a nonsense, honestly. Yeah, so now we're on the way to the Russian deli shop. I want to check it out, and they have some food in there, so yeah, that's where we are heading. We are heading to Kalinka. Leo, скажи Kalinka. Leo wants some Russian food too. Stop. Where you go? Just cross the man. So why am not turn an indicator? Yeah. So thanks God, but we honestly, if never that purpose, we came here to the seminar, to this hotel, we would never end up here because like about 45 minutes from where we are, Miramar, where we stay, Miramar, yeah, and this comes like a little Russia in America, so I would never try Russian food, so I'm glad. See, if life gives you lemon, squeeze lemonade, okay? So Errol battery dead, so he's trying to charge it because of the internet we can follow the road, but now we don't have the GPS, not GPS, GPS, so we don't have GPS. No, he's okay, it's a little bit, so without it, yeah, thanks God for GPS. Yeah, GPS saved our life in America, because without it we would not make even the shortest destination, cause too many lanes, too many roads, too many turns. Yeah, big up the talking lady from GPS.
Boss without them shirt.
Yeah, it's taking vitamin D. Boss is taking sun bath. You want a bonus? You better have the yellow in case. Miami. Swaggy from Siberia in Miami.
Next signal 178. Yeah. Next signal. Alice? You're turn too early.
I'm the first from my family to reach Miami, you know. Give me respect. Give me some respect. We arrived. Kalinka. Alright, they have some food here you can try. Come. Leo, Danny. Leo. Open the door.
How to spray the miracle venom in the bag. Please get it.
Yeah?
Okay. And this is the Russian shop. Alright, so let's check it out. We have some Russian food. Alright. Here. Leo, иди сюда. Leonid. Leo. So they have a lot of stuff. So this is a homemade compote. We call it compote. And Daniel doesn't want it. You like it? See guys, Leo loves it. Leo's a Russian boy now. Wow. You like it, Leo?
I'm just putting my paper. I'm going to
Come taste it. Taste the compote. And tell me, you like it?
Yum.
Tastes good?
Yeah, man.
Tastes good? You drink it? Oh, I love it. Love it.
I don't like
Тани, попробуй, вкусно. Вкусно? Не вкусно? Клади чупа-чупс, ешь. Try. Let's eat. Tastes really good. Tastes good? Same way? But my plov has different color. You like it? You like it, yeah? Alright, eat it.
Why did you say he's like Daniel?
I never say he. I think
I hear that you say he.
couldn't hear me say that, Leo.
I hear that you say that. I actually hear that. You're lying.
I'm lying? You tell me say my English so bad?
Are you getting the same vibes like in Russia? Huh?
I'm not in Russia.
Okay. Let's try this Daniel junk a little bit. Let's try the sirnik. What? Try sirnik, come. I'm gonna feed you.
Sweet.
Quality? Can cook though? Russian people can cook.
This can cook. Who else eat?
You like?
Yeah, can you use one?
When we're done, I will buy this. My favorite one. It calls potato ball, but it's a sweet one.
What?
Here, this one, and I like this one pastry. They are gone for Russian ice cream. Love Russian ice cream. Ты мороженку хочешь? А? Лео, сначала доешь плов, потом мороженое.
Мама, это.
Это шоколадное, ты знаешь? Ты будешь есть шоколадное? It's chocolate ice cream. I'll go get some ice cream. I'll go check out Russian grocery store. Oh my god. And also I need to buy some seasoning to make plov. Because Leo loves it. He loves it so much. See the guys, I found gelatin, just the plain one. I need to grab some of it. Because in Jamaica I couldn't find the one without flavor. This is without flavor. So yeah man, I gotta grab it. Guys, this is buckwheat. Is that a buckwheat? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, buckwheat. Russian people love buckwheat. I'll go grab it.
That's one. I never eat it.
It's a Kinder surprise.
No,
mommy gonna grab. See how Russian people love sweets? Yes. My paradise. I'm gonna go grab some of it. Guys, on the way home. And yeah, I'm so like satisfied. I'm so satisfied. The shopping was nice. Got some nice stuff, but it's crazy that we just left in this store like $100 with ease, maybe more than $100.
You mean you just spent $100?
Yeah, I pay like 54 for the food, and then just now 64 I pay for everything. Very expensive. Yeah, very expensive. So we'll not go back again. Now go back again. We are right. Yeah. Did you like the Russian food? But be honest, you liked it? You love it. Could you live in Russia then?
That's so
No.
No, if we're not talking about this aspect, could you live in Russia? Like, you know the aspect I'm saying.
The food I had. But you asked me to live in Russia, not only that.
Alright.
but I'm old.
Hey
But
guys.
the food is good.
Yeah, we're on the way to go back to our Airbnb. Guys, we came to Chuck E. Cheese's. If I'm pronouncing it right. Kids already gone. Are they gone? Oh, that's what they were dreaming about. Ooh, Chuck E. Cheese. Well, that looks cool. Okay. Thanks. What's that? What's that? Hello. But nothing was there. What is that?
The ticket that we pay is a card and yours.
Hello, you see the kids? I don't see them.
Go for it.
Is that the Minecraft one? Wow.
Mining board.
Yeah, so kids sure will have a lot of fun today.
Anything there? You want pizza?
What are you gonna eat? They have wings though.
Wings are expensive. $22 for
What?
wings.
$22 for the wings? Them can eat them
Let's
wings.
say it's
Yeah, anything. You like this place? Leo, you like this place? Тебе нравится? Да? Классно?
I need a plate.
Yeah. Alright, you put it in there? How to put it? I'll put it for you. 30 seconds, David.
Alright, finally Daniel found something what he likes too. So they're racing each other. Oh, for real, they race each other? Okay. Off do it with a sense. Yeah. Leo, close your eyes. Alright, we're gonna play basketball. So who won?
Because you don't know in actually. The three ball and start come late.
Punch him. Danny, punch him. Go. Punch.
Yes, mommy.
Danny,
Mommy,
Danny, go. I will record it.
Mommy, look.
Yay! Ooh, the pizza ready. Take a slice, Danny. Eat it. Try it. You like it? Yeah? Go take a seat. Sit and eat.
See right here.
Here.
Mommy, this one is yours?
Bon appetit, guys.